Y'all got a super special one for you guys today, man. We're gonna be doing a full review and on feed over the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes, the DMP 11s that we wanted, but we got these joints right here, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video. If you are new to the channel, you already liking what you see, man, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content. It's gonna be more reviews, more on feeds, more early looks, and all that good stuff for you guys coming very shortly. Got 2 early packs coming in, and you guys already know about that shock drop that just happened on the Sneakers app. That pair is coming in as well. So please, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit that like button, because that shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, and we're so close to 80,000 subscribers. And if you don't know, we are doing the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude giveaway as soon as we hit 80,000 subscribers. Hopefully that happens sometime in the month of October. Let's keep pushing this content out. Let's keep growing together, and we're gonna get there eventually. All right, man, first things first, I wanted to show you guys the box. We didn't get an original, you know what I'm saying, Jordan 11 box that we usually get. Even with the Air Jordan 11 Breads, we got a different box. Kind of came in a box similar to the one you guys see behind me, which usually we get a pair of Air Jordan 12s in. But for the Gratitude, you guys see, I got the gold Jumpman up top right here, as you can see. And then check out the official size tag, Air Jordan 11 Retro, white, metallic, gold, and black. And of course, I got these bad boys in a size 9 right there, as you can see. Got a gold ring on the box as well. Got your 2-3 branding on the side right here. And then flipping the box open, you guys see you have thank you written on the top of the box there, right there in gold. And you guys can peep the tissue paper. All right, man, so back to these Air Jordan 11s, man. Like I said, we wanted the DMP things. We did not get the DMPs. We got a little spin-off, and the whole time I'm thinking this is the DMP 11, but it's not. It kind of did us like a Air Jordan 11 cap and gowns, how we all wanted the Gammas. They look super similar, but they're not the same sneaker at all. With these Gratitude 11s, you got an all leather upper, and with the DMP 11s, if I'm not mistaken, they did come with mesh. This is like your Air Jordan 11 Concords did a couple years back. And then something else we did get with the DMP 11s was this gold hang tag right here. This is not the DMP 11s. This is the Concords. It just took the little gold tag that came with the Air Jordan 6 DMPs that dropped back in 2021. You do get some nice hits of gold on these Gratitudes. You got your gold Jumpman logo, and then flipping around to the back of the heel, you have the gold 2-3. All patent leather going around the sneaker. They gave us that nice high cut patent leather on this Air Jordan 11, and I feel like the transition from the low cut Air Jordan 11 to the high cut was probably the best thing that Jordan could do. I think it gravitates towards, you know what I'm saying, the newer culture a little bit more, and kind of bring that nostalgia aspect of the sneaker as well with that high cut. I don't know why they ever went to a low cut version of the patent leather. I just feel like this high cut, man, is just the way to go. It's perfect to me, and Nike, please don't go back to that low cut, man. And then checking out the outsoles, you guys can see, man, they have like a milky cream outsole with your carbon fiber plate down there in gold and black. And you guys can see that Jumpman down below as well. Like I mentioned a little bit ago, man, the leather on the upper is really, really nice. It's really good, super plush. You can tell that they put some emphasis on it. They didn't want to just give us no crazy trash leather on these joints. We actually get some good leather on the tongue, around the sneaker. The only part that's kind of flat as far as leather is the leather right here on the heel of the sneaker. But given the fact that we got some crazy leather on the hits of the side panels and on the tongue, I think the back will be just all right. All in all, man, not a bad Air Jordan 11 at all. I know a lot of people did want to get the original DMPs to come back out. We didn't get it, but it's a retro. But I feel like here in due time, we will get the DMP 11s with the gold hang tag, with the special package and all that good stuff. I just think it's a matter of time. They kind of did the same thing with the cap and gowns and Gamma release a couple of years back. And hopefully next year we are officially getting those Gamma 11s, or even the Legend Blue 11s would be a dope addition for Jordan Brand to bring back out for the young culture that never had a pair of those 2 sneakers in their collection. These will be releasing December the 9th. I think the retail tag is $225 or $220. Super steep. You guys let me know if you think it's worth the $220 to $225, whatever it is. Plus you guys shipping and taxes and fees. all that crazy stuff. So let me know if you're gonna be one of the people this Christmas time getting a pair of 11s for the entire family. Because you guys know, man, people that don't even rock sneakers, they will all the way to the end of the year just to get a crispy pair of Air Jordan 11s. And these happen to be the gratitude joints releasing this holiday season, man. I appreciate all the support. Again, thank you guys so much for tapping in. Make sure you take full advantage of the giveaway that we're running for these gratitude 11s. And please leave a huge like on today's video, man. If you have not subscribed already, you guys already know it's part of the rules to win a pair of these joints. Go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boy. And all that's been said, let's go ahead and jump to the full entire on feed over these clean Air Jordan 11 gratitudes, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.